Hi. Thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Samsung is reportedly working on the successor to their famous Xcover 6 Pro rugged smartphone that was launched in 2022. The new phone will be called the Galaxy Xcover 7. According to several sources online, the Xcover 7 has the SMG556B model number, which is similar to the SMA556B model number associated with the upcoming Galaxy A55. But we will know full details soon. In terms of design, however, the Android Headlines has released a report featuring what appears to be the official renders of the forthcoming Xcover 7. The leaked renders by Android Headlines show that the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 will have a waterdrop notch and a single rear camera with a dual LED flash, and a very rugged build. The most interesting part of the report states that the rear shell of the device is removable, which means that it could be equipped with a user-replaceable battery. Something you hardly see these days, and a very welcome development in my opinion. The rest of the renders show the device is equipped with an Xcover physical button, which can be configured to launch an app, access the push-to-talk feature, and so on. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 is expected to come with all the rugged phone features such as military standard 810H certification, IP68 rated for dustproof and water resistant. Unfortunately, the report has no information about the specifications of the Galaxy Xcover 7. The Xcover 6 Pro from last year came equipped with the Snapdragon 778G chipset. And if the report about Xcover 7 being rugged version of Samsung Galaxy A55 is anything to go by, then the phone will likely come with the forthcoming Exynos 1480 chipset by Samsung. We should be expecting specifications close to that of Galaxy A55 as well. We will surely keep you up to date regarding this. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Anyways, are you excited for this new upcoming rugged phone by Samsung, or you are just indifferent? Let me know in the comment below. That's all we have for now. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss future updates. And don't forget to watch our other videos.